Hello students, now we discuss the relation between kinetic energy and potential energy and total energy of electron which is revolving around the nucleus. So, when electron revolves around the nucleus with some speed Vn and in radius Rn, and the number of protons in the nucleus are Z. So, total charge in the nucleus is Ze, and charge of electron, mass electron m, and charge of electron is E, right. Now, first thing, who provides the centripetal force to the electron? So, in that case, electrostatic force or electrostatic attraction between the nucleus and electron provides the centripetal force to the electron. So, if we talk about the centrifugal force, then it is equal to mv square by Rn, mv square by r in the circular motion. We understand about that. Now, these two forces kZe square upon Rn square and mvn square by Rn, these must be equal for the electron. So, from the force balance we can calculate mvn square by Rn is equal to k z e square upon Rn square. Rn will be cancelled out. From there we can calculate the velocity of, we can calculate the value of mvn square, that is equal to k z e square upon Rn. Understand or not? Now, we talk about the kinetic energy. So, kinetic energy of any particle which have speed v, we can write half m v square, but we write Vn square because speed of nth orbit we are talking about. So, that is why we write 1 by 2 m into Vn square. So, that is equal to 1 by 2, put the value of m Vn square from there, m Vn square is k z square upon Rn. So, we can calculate, we can put the value z e square by Rn. So, this is the kinetic energy. You can assign the equation number 1 for that. So, this is equation number 1. Now, we talk about the potential energy. Potential energy, we study about the potential energy in electrostatics as potential energy is K Q1 Q2 by R, where Q1 and Q2 are charges and R is the distance between these two charges. Now, Q1 you can say the charge on all the protons, that is equal to plus Ze, and Q2 is charge of electron, that is equal to minus E, right. So, we can write the potential energy U is equal to K plus Ze into minus E upon distance between these is Rn, because it is revolving in nth orbit. So, that is equal to minus k z e square upon Rn. This is, let us say, equation number 2. Now, what is the total energy? So, we can talk about the total energy. So, total energy E is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So, E is equal to En is equal to Un plus Kn. Total energy of nth orbit, total energy of potential nth orbit, potential energy of nth orbit and kinetic energy of nth orbit. So, put the values. En is equal to Un is minus k z e square upon Rn, and that is equal to plus 1 by 2 k z e square upon Rn. So, En is equal to minus k z e square upon 2 Rn. We can say this is minus of kinetic energy and this is equal to potential energy by 2. So, what is the relation? Relation between total energy, kinetic energy and potential energy, we can write total energy must be equal to negative of kinetic energy, and that is equal to total potential energy by 2. So, this the relation between kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy. Thank you.